Our liver is an amazing organ. It works hard, filtering toxins and helping us digest food. But sometimes fat builds up in the liver. This is called fatty liver disease. Too much fat can hurt the liver. It can even stop it from working properly. There are two main types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused by drinking too much alcohol. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is not caused by alcohol. It's linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and high cholesterol. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is becoming more common. In fact, it's the most common liver disease in the world. The good news is that we can often reverse early-stage fatty liver disease with lifestyle changes. This means making healthy choices about what we eat and how much we move. Fatty liver disease happens in stages. Understanding these stages helps us take action early. Stage 1. Simple fatty liver. This is the earliest stage. There's extra fat in the liver, but it's not causing any damage yet. Most people don't have symptoms. Finding it early is key to preventing further damage. Stage 2. Hepatitis. Now the liver is inflamed. This means it's irritated and swollen. Some people experience fatigue, loss of appetite, or pain in the upper right abdomen. Stage 3. Fibrosis. Continuous inflammation leads to scarring. The liver is still working, but it's getting harder for it to do its job. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial at this stage to prevent further scarring. Stage 4. Cirrhosis. This is the most serious stage. The liver is covered in scar tissue. It's very stiff and can't function properly. Cirrhosis is irreversible and can lead to liver failure. Many people ask me, can you reverse fatty liver disease? The answer is yes, often, especially in the early stages. Lifestyle changes are powerful. Losing weight is key. Even a small amount of weight loss can make a big difference. Aim for 7 to 10% of your body weight. This reduces fat in the liver and improves its function. Exercise is vital. It helps burn fat and improve insulin sensitivity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Essential nutrients for liver health. What we eat plays a big role in liver health. Certain nutrients are especially beneficial for reversing fatty liver disease. Vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant protects the liver from damage. Include foods rich in vitamin E, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Vitamin D. This vitamin helps reduce inflammation and improve liver function. Get your vitamin D levels checked and discuss supplementation with your doctor if needed. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats, found in oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Aim for at least 2 servings of oily fish per week. Potassium. This mineral helps regulate fluid balance and may protect against liver scarring. Bananas, kiwi, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens are good sources of potassium. Choline. This essential nutrient plays a vital role in liver function and fat metabolism. Include choline-rich foods in your diet, such as eggs, beef liver, chicken breast, fish, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. Taking charge of your liver health. Fatty liver disease is a serious condition, but the good news is that we can often reverse it with lifestyle changes. It's never too late to start making healthier choices. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Choose lean protein sources and healthy fats like olive oil. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated and trans fats. And don't forget to stay active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. If you have any concerns about your liver health, talk to your doctor. They can perform tests to assess your liver function and recommend the best course of action for you. Taking control of your health is empowering. Make healthy choices today for a healthier liver tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, and share this video for more health tips.